another Mum Day vlog. As you can see, we have ventured out to the beach. We've actually gone somewhere. It feels so strange. I feel so apprehensive before we left, like this anxiety of going anywhere other than somewhere local was really weird. But while we're here, I feel really good. It's actually really nice to be somewhere different. And although we've come to the beach, it's a very quiet beach. There is a few people dotted about, but everyone's really spread out, so we can really keep our distance. Thank you. You're cleaning your hands. Got our hand sanitizer at the ready. As you can see, there's just hardly anyone here. Craig and Ralph are over there doing a little bit of crabbing at the moment. I just want to share with you something I am loving at the moment. I bought one of these solar buddies from Amazon and they are so good for putting on kids sun cream. You literally just fill it with your children's sun cream, and then when you take the lid off, it's got a built-in roller and sponge, so the sun cream just sort of seeps through. It just seems to make less mess. The kids don't moan as much. I just find it such an easier way of doing sun cream. A crabby. Yeah. Put him in the bucket. Right, we need to get him some water. Little one. How many have we got now, Olivia? Olivia. Wow, we got a big one. Quick. Oh, put him back in. Look what we found. A whole oyster. If only there was a pearl inside it. Here's Craig and Ralph. So Olivia and I counted our crabs and we caught 12. Oh, look at them. Whoa, look at those crabs.
Careful.
I think Ralph and Daddy might have won. Look at those.
No.
Mummy. 17. 18.
We got 18.
Ralph, you caught 18. Well, we both done quite well with the crabs, but you definitely won, and you got bigger ones. But we did well, didn't we, Olivia? We got lots of little crabs.
We got giants.
You got giants. We've just stopped for some lunch. Cheese. Kids have got cheese in their sandwich. Craig and I have a bagel. I picked up some of these for the kids, which we normally have these little Madeleine cakes, but what I didn't realise is I picked up the chocolate ones. They got chocolate on the bottom. Is that good, Olivia?
I've got enough. Oh my gosh.
So my mum and dad have actually come down to meet us. They're over there. We're trying to do the social distancing. It's just so nice to be able to spend a bit of time with family now. Even though it's outside, it just feels so normal again.
Coffee break.
Craig and the kids are digging a big hole. What is it?
Lots of windows.
Wind turbines. Olivia,
I love you.
Olivia, do love you.
Baby!
Love you. Do a squeezy hug.
Squeeze's.
Oh, is that for Nanny?
Two.
Do squeezy hugs.
Gangnam Style. Love you.
Love you. Love you.
Bye, Ralph.
Bye. Squeezy hugs. Look what Daddy's got. You've got one in your pocket. You said you had one in your pocket. I was like, what? Oh, yum. State of us were so windswept. It was so windy today. I'm in the back now so I can keep an eye on them and clear up ice cream mess. Is that good, Olivia? Yeah? Oh, we're going to try some of Daddy's cola one.
Olivia.
We just woke her up and said, does she want some dinner? And she went, yeah.
Life is so tough.
Oh, darling. The beach really wore this one out. But we're home now. Hello, sleepyhead. Go, the kids just have a quick dinner tonight. Cod bites, spaghetti hoops, waffles, and some broccoli. So this is Craig and my dinner. I can't even tell you what it is. It's a real mixture of everything. So Craig made this. I think it's leftover chilli.
Yes.
Leftover chilli with some gnocchi, with some leftover cod bites from the kids' dinner.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms.
It's good.
Let's give it a try. Craig, you do invent some strange but quite good things.
I'm very
You
inventive.
want to try that?
Oh, is it sleepy time?
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, wakey time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Mum done.